We'll guide you through how to download Dropbox onto your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website by typing in www.dropbox.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the download button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a new page where you'll see an option to download Dropbox for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac. Click on the appropriate download link, and the Dropbox installer will start downloading automatically. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the Dropbox installer file. Double-click the file to open it, and a setup window will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Install or Next as prompted. The installation process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, Dropbox will open automatically, and you'll be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you're new to Dropbox, click on Sign Up and fill in the required information to create an account. After signing in, you'll see the Dropbox folder appear on your desktop or in your File Explorer, depending on your operating system. You can now drag and drop files into this folder, and they'll be automatically synced to your Dropbox account in the cloud. This makes it super easy to access your files from any device with Dropbox installed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.